Meditation has many benefits, and for many people, the results that come from meditating can be life-changing. It's most commonly used as a tool for stress relief, relaxation, and for finding peace in today's busy, demanding world, but it can also be used for so much more. In fact, the science and research done on meditation proves that meditating regularly is not only good for you, it can also improve and enhance the quality of our lives in so many different ways. I've put together a big list of the benefits of meditation in the resources section for you, but just to give you a quick overview, meditation has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety, to improve health and well-being, to help people sleep better. It unlocks creativity, improves memory and concentration. It helps us achieve more with less effort. It helps us to relax on a very deep level. It reduces negativity, conflict and drama, and it brings about more love, compassion and kindness. Traditionally, meditation was and still is used for spiritual growth. Regardless of why someone chooses to meditate, people who meditate regularly live happier, more enjoyable lives. Most of the things that people experience as a result of meditating are actually priceless and quite profound, as you're going to experience for yourself. The more you meditate, the more you'll realize that you get far more out of meditation than you ever put into it. Another benefit is that once you've learned how to meditate, you can do it for free anywhere, and you don't ever need to buy any kind of equipment. In this course, I'm going to start you off meditating for just 10 minutes a day, and to be honest, even if that's all you do for the rest of your life, those 10 minutes a day will be enough to start bringing positive results into your life.